My name is Binod Prasad. I'm representing Akriti Pharma as a general manager for international marketing. Akriti Pharma is having two dedicated plant based in, actually the company is based in Mumbai, having the factory located in Pune. We have got beta-lactam injectable plants and non-beta-lactam, that is oral tablet capsules and creams and ointments we are having. It's a company which is basically EU GMP approved, UK MHRA and TGA Australia. UK MHRA, basically we are into the contract manufacturing under carbimazole tablets. Apart from this, we have got nutraceuticals development on the from the US FDA segment side. Looking at the various prospects of the country's needs, we have got various accreditations. If you look at the European markets, we have got Malta, UK and Portugal market. We have got Asian countries, Philippines, Myanmar, Cambodia, Thailand, Bangkok, all these countries. African markets, we are also doing it. Looking at even the market prospects and the requirements, we are also into having R&D facilities developing the market needs. This is the right platform, the channels I have got it. We don't participate in IPHEX. This is the first time we have participated. And we got a lot of inquiries about our product and the new openings we have got it. It is one platform where all the vendors and the suppliers, we come in one platform. So we got associated and mutual understanding. We got to understand the market needs also. Especially the B2B marketing has helped us a lot to find new clients in the market and regulated guidelines also. So we really thankful and appreciated the kind of organization we are associated with through Pharmaxil and IPHEX. Thank you very much.